Welcome back to our fitness channel Crack the Workout. We explore different exercises to help you achieve your fitness goals. Today, we have an exciting topic for you: chin-ups versus pull-ups. Which one is better for building upper body strength? Let's find out.
Chin-ups are performed with an underhand grip, whereas pull-ups are performed with an overhand grip. Firstly, how to do perfect pull-up. Let's start. Hang with an overhand grip and slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Initiate the pull by engaging your back muscles and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Keep your chest up and core tight and pull yourself up until chin clears that bar. Once you reach the top position, hold for a moment. Slowly lower yourself back down to starting position by extending your arms fully. If you want to prioritize bicep and shoulder development while still engaging your back muscles, chin-ups are the way to go. On the hand, if you want to primarily target your muscles and achieve that V-shaped physique, pull-ups should be your exercise choice.